Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic hair oil at home. Making your own hair oil offers numerous benefits for your hair and scalp. It deeply nourishes, strengthens strands, and can significantly reduce hair fall. By crafting your own, you avoid harsh chemicals often found in commercial products, ensuring a pure and effective treatment. This personalized approach allows you to tailor ingredients to your specific hair needs. To begin, you will need a good quality carrier oil. Popular choices include 1 cup of coconut, olive, or almond oil, which form the base. Next, select your essential oils. 10 to 15 drops of lavender, rosemary, or peppermint oil are excellent for various hair concerns. Fresh herbs like curry leaves, hibiscus, or neem leaves, about 1/4 cup, can boost effectiveness. Finally, consider adding 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil for its antioxidant benefits. The preparation process is quite straightforward. First, gently heat 1 cup of your selected carrier oil using a double boiler to prevent overheating. Add about 1/4 cup of your fresh herbs, allowing them to infuse for 15 to 20 minutes. Once infused, let the mixture cool completely. After cooling, strain out all the herb solids. Finally, stir in 10 to 15 drops of your chosen essential oils. Proper storage ensures your oil remains potent. Transfer your freshly made hair oil into a clean, airtight glass bottle. Store it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, where it can last for up to 3 months. For application, gently massage a small amount into your scalp and hair 2 to 3 times a week. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or, for deeper conditioning, leave it overnight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.